Check it out, guys. We got a 2004 E55 AMG V8 compressor. Look at this beast. You don't find these a lot. It's got a lot of mods done to it. It's pushing over 600 horsepower. This is probably one of the only Mercedes you'll see with what? Long tube headers. Right there and right there. You don't see these Mercedes with long tube headers all the time. Right there, right there. Then he brought it in and we finished it off for him. We put him 2 Flowmaster high flow cats there and there that he brought. There's the part number. It's 2000130. There'll be a link in the description for it. 2000130. Then he had a custom X pipe right there. And then the rest of it, and we clamped it and welded and all that, made it nice and clean for him. He kept the stock resonator on it and the stock mufflers for now, as you guys can see there and there. And then at the end, you got this classic AMG tips. You guys can see there. Got a nice stance to it. It's a very clean car. E55 AMG. It was the Mac Daddy back in the day. The biggest motor that comes in these, which is a V8. So there it is. So we're going to show you guys how it sounds in a second. Stay tuned. 2021 Audi S8. Pushing 700 horsepower. It's got a stage 2 tune in it. Let me show you guys what we done. Cut 2 resonators off right there that were in the front. Then there's a factory X pipe on it. Then we cut the 2 rear resonators also. Right there, it's a dual in, dual on one there. Then we kept the mufflers the same because they got valves in them. So why cut them off if we don't need to? Because the valves will be open and closed. When they're open, it becomes straight pipe. When they're closed, it becomes stop. There's the mid resonator that we cut off, and there's the 2 baby resonators we cut off. Those were in the front. That's the one in the back. The one in the back is dual in, dual out. The one in the center, I mean. But there's the other ones, okay? All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Guys, 2020 BMW M8 Competition. All murdered out and looks amazing for a good friend. So he had this system installed somewhere else. His downpipes, as you guys can see, full stainless steel system, 3-inch. And then what we did is added an X pipe to refine the sound. It didn't have an X pipe on it before. And also he wanted it more refined, so we added 2 Flowmaster Outlaws there and right there. And it's an Alibaba system. It's from like the manifolds back, okay? He had that installed. It's like a valve system out the back, as you guys can see there. And the Flowmaster Outlaws that you guys see right there, there's the part number on them, 15430S. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. All right, guys, E55 AMG with long tube headers. You can tell this is a beast. But right now, he just wants to keep it as a sleeper, so it's not crazy loud. Doesn't sound too bad. I like it. Your sound decibels? Right at 94. It's got a lot of upgraded parts on the engine bay, so it's pushing around 600 horsepower. And a 4-door sedan. And it's got like, look at that on top, guys. It's got solar power panels. I don't know why, but that's cool. Yeah, it's got solar panel. Huh, I'm gonna ask him about that. You guys see that in the camera? I don't know if you guys can see it. That's interesting. It sounds really good. I love the slick design on them too. They're really clean. S8 2021 with both resonators deleted. Go ahead. Look at that crackle, bro. 177. Go ahead. He likes it. All right, rev it. That's clean. Now we're not gonna rev it too much. Look at idle, it's quiet. This is with the valves open, guys, too. Again. It shows its true colors when you rev it. Like when it's sitting still, it's quiet. It's about to pounce. I like it. Rev it up. Let me see it with sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's right at 97. Perfect. All right, go ahead and back it out. Now that it warmed up, it sounds even better. Come on back. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You guys here on the inside. M8 Competition. Fully downpipe back, straight pipe 3-inch, X pipe, AliExpress downpipe system, fully stainless steel 3-inch with valves. And we just added these tips on it and Flowmaster Outlaws. All right, here we go. Go ahead. Wow, this is with the valves open, guys. Wow, that complimented very nice. Right at 112. What a beast. You can hear the turbo spooling. 800 to the wheels, guys. Close the valves now. That was valves open, guys. Look at the difference. It's like stock again. Wow. Yeah, it's still got the barbels, but it's quiet. I'll take it valves open all day. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 90. That's crazy from 112. All right, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. With this beautiful M8 Competition. Lowered, very nice stance, as you guys can see. Juan's enjoying every minute of it, except for the sun. He just had it washed, I guess. Clean. What a beauty. Look at those massive brakes. Look at those calipers. Jeez. The pro ones are even bigger. So that's valves closed. Again. Open the valves. Takes it a minute to open the valves, but wow. friggin' jet, and he flies. It's perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Package on it too, guys. Look at this thing. It is mint. Wow. Let's check out under the hood. We got Reed, the owner of this vehicle, and he's going to tell us about all the stuff he's got done to it.
Currently nothing special. Just got the motor back in.
The charger go up.
Oh, you got on it.
Yeah.
Fully ported blower, race IQ cams, Lysco pistons, VRP, 92mm throttle body, and VRP long tube headers, full exhaust all the way back. We're hoping to make somewhere around 600 horsepower. We'll see.
We will see. That's awesome.
Not every creature feature anyone could ever want.
Sucker's massive. What does this thing weigh?
Probably 45.
45, 5,000 pounds.
4,000 or 5,000 pounds. Got a 77mm clutch pulley on it. We're gonna go fix later this weekend. So got a few things to do to it. Nothing too special, nothing too flashy.
No, definitely a sleeper, you know? We appreciate you bringing it in, man, letting us work on it.
Absolutely.
We really do. Give us that nice launch. Here we go. So you guys heard from him, and now we get to see the launch. Let's see if it brings home the bacon, like they say. Wow, beast mode. That sucker's quick. Grab too. That was nice. Audi S8, ready for the road. Just did double resonator delete on it. She's ready to go. You guys ready to hear it take off? Let's see if it takes off like a bullet. It pushes about 700 horse. I see that. Like it took off like a bullet. Heck yeah. Enjoy, guys. What a beast, man. And you guys can follow his build at EC Auto, EC_Auto on Instagram and YouTube. We'll link it in the description, guys, for you guys, so you can follow his build. Really cool dude. We do all his cars. Very, very stand-up guy. Just wait till you hear. All his cars are like this. He loves a lot of speed. Uh-oh. Trunk open. Here we go. M8 Competition. Those tips fitted perfectly, bro. Look. That was beautiful. Beast mode every time for him. Wow. Wow. And it handles like a dream. He was going like this. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome. Beast mode.